cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We are here with a new banger today. This video is basically pranks, guys. I have my friend, we were at a car meet. He had this police sirens and he's like, hey, I could pull over people with just the lights. I'm like, just the lights, no speaker needed? He's like, no speakers needed, just the lights. Long story short, we put on the lights and we ended up stopping 3 people successfully. One of them was my favorite reaction, which is the last one. Stay tuned for that one. We stopped them and they all had alcohol in them. They were all shitting themselves. Basically, their eggplants turned into vaginas. They were that scared, guys. It's something you're gonna want to stay to watch. Not a long video, guys, but you're gonna enjoy it. And stay tuned because we're gonna be bringing more pranks at the car meet. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Alright, so this guy has cop lights and we're gonna stop this Lexus right here. Let's see if it works. Light him up, boys. Oh, damn, it works! What the fuck? Shit, dude. These guys told me and I thought they were fucking me, but this literally... like, I'm dead. Hey guys, drop down in the comments if you want to see more of this. Oh, what the fuck? This is perfect, dude. Let him exit, but you don't exit. Fucking perfect. Later. Got him. Oh my god, that was perfect. So he's about to pull over the Challenger right now. Hold on. Get on. Okay, he's lit up. Let's see if the Challenger falls for it. Let's see. Oh, damn, this guy has balls a little bit.
See, I didn't have a mic. If you had a mic, it would have been a different story.
I know, if you had the mic, it would have been perfect, dude.
Damn, he's like gonna do it.
Yeah, just get close to him to like ram him almost.
He's in it.
There you go. Oh yeah, he's pulling on. Keep going. Follow him. Oh, that didn't work, guys. Oh my god! I can't.
What's the spot to go to?
He's gonna show me the lights right now. Let me see if it looks real. Let me see if they look real. Oh yeah, they do, dude. It's crazy. Oh, for sure he's getting pulled over right now, guys. We're pulling this guy over right now. Wherever he goes, you follow him.
Yeah. He's shitting himself, bro.
Acura for sure is shitting himself right now. Look, keep going.
Hey, fuck, I got you just in case it comes.
Look, these fools actually think they found undercover. Look.
Ese es como. Sube on.
Turn him on and follow.
Turn him on.
Oh! Hold on, little.
No, he took out because he's on the car.
No, he's gonna pull up. Yeah, he's gonna pull up.
Pull like behind him.
Yeah, pull up behind him.
No.
This thing is for the vlog. Go Kingfish like it's for the vlog.
Alright, make it up. Go. They're literally pulling him over. Get out. But let me get off. You stay in because I need to stay. You're good, bro. What's up? Got him! Hey, you got lucky, huh? Hey, dog, we got Bruce. Hey, you guys are good. What's up, buddy? What's up?
You scared the fuck out of me.
My bad.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, damn.
We're thinking like, fuck, we got the
And they're open too, dude. Oh, hey, you guys got lucky, though. Good looking.
Yeah, Joes are like, man.
Oh, hold on, you're drinking too?
Yeah.
You too?
I feel a perfect person.
That was the perfect. You were the. Hey, enjoy the rest of your night, guys. Huh? Huh?
Get your food, that shit was good.
Yeah. Hey, good look at it. Hey, they wanted to piss themselves. They wanted to just shit
I
themselves.
was getting ready to dip on me, fuck that bullshit.
They were about to smash from the cop. Hey, guys, that was a successful ass prank right there. It was the perfect reaction to. They had alcohol up the ass. But yeah, they were good sports about it, so I like it.